Imagine yourself in the jungle, running painfully, screaming, hear explosions and bullets flying past you. You're running so fast that you fall. You crawl to the nearest hiding spot. It's muddy, dark, raining, cold, and there's nothing to eat or drink. You cuddle yourself, trying to keep quiet and warm yourself. You hear footsteps coming towards you. Then suddenly one of the communists pull out someone from the bush right across from you. He's begging for his life as the communist pull out his gun. Boom! Not a word came out from him. All you could see is his tears of fearless, his blood of innocent, and the face you will never forget. This is what is happening to these people every day for the past 30 years. Who are these people? They are the Hmong. The word Hmong means free. The Hmong were always free until they were asked to help. In the Vietnam War during 1954 and 1975, the Hmong were gathered to fight with the United States. When the United States won, they withdrew from the war. The Hmong were left to stand alone. As the Americans left, the Hmong became an easy target to attack. The communists came and destroyed Laos. The Hmong didn't have any backup plan for this attack, but to leave Laos and move to Thailand. Many Hmong left Laos, leaving everything behind. As they crossed the Mekong River, some Hmong were able to settle in Thailand, but some were left behind in the jungle, arrested, or even killed by the communists. More than 30 years had passed as the secret war began. Hmong genocide is still happening today. About 300,000 Hmong refugees were able to settle down in the United States, but 40,000 Hmongs are still remain in the jungle and in the Thailand refugee camp. In 2003, the American ambassador was able to support 15,000 Hmong refugees to come to the United States. Many Hmong came to the US for shelter, food, water, family, education, but most for a better life. Not too long ago, President Obama had received a letter learning about the genocide of the Hmong. Obama was able to support the genocide, willing to do anything to help. President Obama stated the U.S. must be clear in calling for all parties to respect international laws and ensure that displaced Hmong are not placed in harm's ways. The solution of the genocide for Hmong is still unknown and unfixed. No one really knows when it's going to end. Everyone is trying to help the Hmong, and we are thankful for that. No one knows what's going to happen next for the Hmong. The Hmong need to be safe, where there are food, water, clothes, shelter, being educated, but most of all, a better life. Hmong genocide has been happening for the past 30 years. The Hmong have served and helped the US, so it's our turn. Without the Hmong, the United States would have lost the war.